Hey, this is Dave and Rich again from houseparents.com, and together with my son Caleb, we like to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a lot of money in the process. And so we're going to show you how to remove a shower drain from an existing mud pan or cement pan. We're in the process of renovating the shower, and we've got all the tile taken off the walls, and now we're at the point where we have to address the shower pan. And our shower pan comes with a lead liner and then a mud or basically a cement mortar base, and the drain is attached to that. And before we can remove the pan, we're going to go ahead and chisel out the drain. There's the drain that we're going to try to get rid of, and you can see we've got there's our lead liner and our mortar base that's inside that lead liner. We're going to chisel all of that out eventually, but before we can do that, we're going to have to take that drain out. And we'll show you what's underneath. Here's the drain and P-trap from underneath in the basement. Our first step is to go ahead and cover this drain, even though we're replacing it. Don't want junk to be getting down in there, going beyond where I want it to go, so this is just a little bit of a safety precaution. Now we're going to go ahead and start chiseling around the edges. Put on our mask, respirator, and try not to inhale too much of this. There's a few mounting bolts right there, all the way around, that we can get to now. From the basement, from underneath, we're going to go ahead and loosen the thumb screws on this drain. Next, we'll take off these, loosen these bolts here. After you remove those bolts, it's just taking that drain flange off. Now we've got taking the whole drain upper top off. Now we've got this cast iron pipe. This house is let's see, 50-ish years old, 60 years old, and this is all just rust and rot. This is the gasket around the pipe that's not even holding together. Really soft. Like a wax ring, actually. Alright, so here's you can see this is flexible. We have a lead liner for the pan that we're going to ultimately remove, but it overlaps this drain, the bottom part of the drain, and so we're going to go all the way around this and pry it up. I expanded the hole just a little bit. Going to interfere with getting this out if I can't peel it back. And there you can go. You can see that's the garage below. So Now we're just breaking the seal all the way around this bottom part of the drain. As you can see here, there's a split, and there looks like there's a lead ring attached to the pipe right there, and then it's over this cast iron flange. So we're going to see if I can get rid of that lead ring. I've been taking a chisel, just going around the pipe, hitting it with a hammer like this, trying to loosen that from the side of the pipe. Now we're going to go hit it from below. There we go. There, got rid of the hold. Basically split that right there, the chisel, and that popped right up. Okay, now that we got that lead ring out, this should move much easier. Oh, there we go. See it's moving? All right, now the last thing is, it looks like there's a rope, kind of a fibery gasket around the bottom. And we're just carving this away. Okay, now that we got that, yep, that's it. Get that, once we got that rope out of it, now it's just a matter of pulling it up. And there we go. And that's how you remove a cast iron drain from an old shower. That's what it takes to get a cast iron drain out. The job was a little harder than I thought it was going to be, but once you know all the parts and how it all fits together, it's probably a lot easier if I had to do it a second time. Hope this video helps. If you got anything out of this, give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please do. We've got lots more videos coming. Thanks for viewing. We'll see you next time.